Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If you've recently scanned your vehicle and found the P0017 code, don't panic just yet. In today's video, we'll break down what this code means, causes, and how you can diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. The P0017 code is a timing correlation error between the crankshaft and camshaft, exhaust camshaft on bank 1. The engine control module, ECM, monitors their positions using sensors, and if they are out of alignment, it triggers 17 common causes of the P0017 code. Number 1. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensors. Sensors provide real-time timing data to the ECM. A failing sensor can send incorrect signals, leading to P0017. Locate the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors. Check for loose or damaged wiring. If sensors are faulty, replace them. Number 2. Damaged timing chain belt. Over time, timing chains can stretch, causing the camshaft and crankshaft to fall out of sync. Broken or missing timing belt teeth can also cause timing misalignment. Remove the timing cover and inspect the chain or belt. If the timing chain is stretched or loose, replace it. Number 3. Malfunctioning VVT, variable valve timing system. If the VVT solenoid is clogged or stuck, the camshaft will not adjust properly, causing correlation issues. Remove and clean it with brake cleaner or carb cleaner. If the solenoid is faulty, replace it. Number 4. Dirty or contaminated engine oil. Low quality or sludged oil can block the VVT solenoid and other timing components, leading to poor camshaft adjustments. Drain and inspect the oil. If it's dirty or sludgy, replace it with high-quality oil. Last number, ECM or electrical issues. Corroded, damaged, or loose sensor wiring connectors can disrupt signals. A failing ECU, engine computer, may misinterpret sensor readings. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner. Start the engine and test drive to see if the issue is resolved. A P0017 code is often related to timing misalignment, sensor issues, or VVT problems. By following the diagnostic steps, you can determine the root cause and fix it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.